Welcome, Vikings, to the 24-25 school year. We're so excited to have you all back and just wanted to go over some of the new transitions that we have with the coming of our new building. And so with our new building comes new driving patterns that we're going to talk about and go over for this upcoming school year. I know last year we had everybody coming through the back, but we're going to make that change right away. So the first thing is, all parents coming in to drop their kids off or pick their kids up are going to come through the front right here in this front entrance. You're going to come to the right, come all the way around, and you're going to drop off your kid right here in front of the cafeteria. Students will then get out, and if they're coming in the morning, go straight to the cafeteria. Now, again, let's be clear, this is before school starts. Once school starts, you will check in at the front office, and you'll just park and check your students in. But if you're coming in to drop them off in the morning, you'll come through here, drive through, drop them off at the cafeteria, and then you'll exit out to the front of East Hall Road. And same thing for picking them up. Students will be waiting along the awning right through here, or if it's raining too hard, they'll wait in the foyer here. Again, you'll drive around, come pick them up, and then exit out. Again, I want to reiterate, if you're checking a student out, you'll just park here, come check them out, and then exit out this way. All student traffic, you're going to come in through the bus lane and come in through the back, and you'll park in this area here. Now, one big difference is students, when we dismiss, you're all going to exit out this way. So every student will exit out all the way through this way behind the PAC. This way we don't cluster up our traffic flow with the parents. So again, students will exit out this way, parents will exit out in this way. Well, we look forward to this outstanding school year with you. We are excited to see our new transition in our new buildings as we are able to grow with your students here. Thanks for all you do, and if you have any questions, feel free to email adam.rich@hallco.org.